Unfolding fractions. Master the basics of addition with fractions. Hello, and welcome to our exciting English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fun and useful topic: fractions. More specifically, we're going to learn how fractions work in the context of addition. Fractions can often feel tricky, but don't worry, we're here to make it easy and enjoyable. Let's get started. In the most basic sense, a fraction represents a part of a whole. It is made up of two parts, a numerator and a denominator. The numerator is the number on the top, and the denominator is the number at the bottom. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. This tells us that we have three parts of a whole that is divided into four equal parts. A great way to understand fractions is to visualize them. Let's take the fraction 1/2 as an example. Imagine an apple cut into two equal parts. Each part represents 1/2 of the apple. If you take both parts, you have 2 halves, which is equal to the whole apple. Adding fractions with the same denominator is easy. You simply add the numerators together and keep the denominator the same. For example, if you want to add 1/4 and 2/4 together, you add the numerators, 1 plus 2, and keep the denominator as 4. Your answer is 3/4. Adding fractions with different denominators requires an extra step, but don't worry, it's straightforward. You need to find a common denominator first. This is a number that both denominators can divide into. Once you've found a common denominator, you adjust the fractions to have that denominator and add as normal. For example, to add 1/2 and 1/3, you'd find a common denominator, in this case, 6. Adjust the fractions to be 3/6 and 2/6, and then add to get 5/6. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of fractions and how to add them, even when they have different denominators. Remember, understanding fractions is a crucial part of mastering many aspects of mathematics and everyday life. Keep practicing, and it'll soon become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this session useful. See you in the next lesson.